Hey there, fellow SharePoint enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to create surveys in SharePoint 2025. If you're looking to gather feedback, run polls, or collect data from your team, SharePoint's survey feature is a powerful tool that's been updated for even more efficiency in 2025. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your SharePoint site. If you're new, head over to office.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific site where you want to create your survey. Look for the Site Contents, or Apps, section. That's your gateway to all the goodies. Now, click on New and select Survey from the list of available apps. In the 2025 update, you'll notice a sleeker interface with more customization options right off the bat. Give your survey a catchy name and a brief description to set the stage. Next, it's time to add your questions. SharePoint lets you choose from various types like multiple choice, yes, no, rating scales, or even text boxes for open-ended responses. Don't forget to make them engaging. After all, you want honest feedback. As you build, explore the advanced settings. For instance, you can enable branching logic, so questions only appear based on previous answers, which is a fantastic new feature in 2025. Once everything looks good, hit Save, and then Publish. You'll get a shareable link that you can send via email or embed in your team's intranet. Pro tip: always test your survey first by taking it yourself to catch any errors. And remember, analyzing responses is just as important. SharePoint provides built-in reports to help you make sense of the data. There you have it. Creating surveys in SharePoint is straightforward and super effective. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it goes for you. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.